All right, so let's check it out. We're driving. Let's drive it. Let's drive it. Let's drive it. Let's drive it. Yo, I think it's hitting it too much, man. So check it out. Not hitting that one. All right, so now we're gonna put it on drive. Let's check it out, see if we can drive it, see what happens. Oh, look at the noise, look at the noise. Okay, I think that's the door. Is it door? I'm not sure. Look at that. The wheel's gonna pop probably. Damn, I'm gonna have to fix it soon. All right, I don't think so. I think it's just knocking on random stuff. All right, let's roll. All right, it seems to be driving good. All right, first driving test, you know. Let's go, see how good it rolls. I can't really turn it because it hits the metal part. You see that? But let's roll. Let's see how fast it goes. Damn, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad. All right, we could roll, but it's bad. All right, the good thing we can put it right here, and we're gonna get the tow truck to actually come and fix it. Yep, it's bad. All right, cool. Hey guys, back again. Guess what? Finally fixed it. Haven't fixed it all, obviously, but I made an improvement. Now it's a minor improvement, but the back tire was actually out of air. It was flat tire. I had to change it. Actually changed to the front tire. Got the spare tire to the front. So we have a little issue right here. It's hitting it, but now since I got the small tire, it's hitting less, and at least I can drive it home, right? I wasn't able to drive it home. But now I can at least get it home and fix it tomorrow, right? But like you guys see, a little damage. You'll see a before and after picture. Pretty cool. See what happens. But we got this side fixed up, very good, and this side is about to be fixed. But that's our new little adjustment. We have to fix the wheel. Has to go a little bit forward, and it'll be as good as new, right? All right, cool.